SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to discuss about the manufacturing process. Okay. So as basically we are mechanical engineers, we are playing a very important role in shaping the world. Okay. So what is meant by manufacturing process? Any idea?
Top two things. For example, you can take a models. As a raw material, how it shapes to an end output material as a body.
So,
from certain manufacturing.
So Hariharan has given that. So from the raw material to required is your product we are making. So what are the role of mechanical engineers? What are their roles?
The raw material shaping. This is selecting the raw materials.
First one is selecting the raw materials. Very
Designing
good.
raw material.
Second one?
Designing.
Designing. Very good.
Production planning.
We are planning the productions. Okay. And then we are manufacturing the products. After manufacturing, what we are doing? Quality. So as the role of mechanical is what we are doing is initially we are selecting the raw materials. Okay. That is called as material selection. We are making our role in material selection, and then whatever the product to be manufactured, first it has to be designed. Okay. So the mechanical engineers play a very important role in designing the products. So we are creating all the diagrams and where according to the shape, like that we are doing the products. And then we are selecting different manufacturing process. Okay. How the product to be manufactured, which machinery to be used, what the process, so what are the process to be involved in that. Okay. And next is we are after completing the manufacturing process by the variety of applications of the available manufacturing process methods. Then we are finally getting a product. Then after getting a product, what we have to do is we have to check whether all the products are required or to the correct dimensions or to our standards. Okay. So that is called as quality testing. Okay. So then we are making it to the finished products. So apart from this, what is the role of mechanical engineers? We have talked about till quality control and checking, QC. After that, is any role is there? Okay, we have the packing, and then other than that, very good. So the product to be marketized. Okay, so we have to play a very important role as a marketing manager. So what are the products if you are manufacturing? If it's not properly sold into the market, then what happens? The product there will be dip in the price, and then the sales will be there will be a dip. So the mechanical engineers play a very important role in all the segments till the from the initial stage to the final stage. Okay. So now what are all the fields where the mechanical engineers play a very important role? Can you tell some fields? Defense. We are defense. Okay, so we are creating many parts and vehicles and armed forces and everything for defense purpose. Aerospace.
Production engineering.
Aerospace. There is very designing the spacecrafts, aircrafts, and everything we are making. Okay. In automobile sector also the mechanical play a very important role. And then,
Also civil also.
and civil. See, for all these, if you take mechanical engineers, apart from mechanical, there is electronic communication, there is electrical engineering, so there is medical field. Okay, if you take leather, in all the fields, in any house, some machineries are used for testing purpose or some purpose. Okay, so these manufacturing of these machines are made by the mechanical engineers. So these are some of the. Other than that, what are things? There is refrigeration and air conditioning. Okay, there also mechanical engineers play a very important role. Okay, so after this, what is the role to the society? How we are used to the society? In what way?
Automation.
Okay, what is automation?
Automation means there's a water. Can take as a case. There's a water body where optimizing it, there is no term any opening of bottle. By using sensor, we are the sensor is near your mouth, automatically water flows. Like this, there is a optimization process.
Okay. So what Harihan is telling that conventionally we are using some automation techniques. So we are using some sensors. So this source is also very important, which is where the mechanical engineers are involved. Okay. This is about the role of mechanical engineers in the day-to-day life. Thank you.